Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickUp for task management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your ClickUp account. If you don't have an account, create one to get started. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of all your existing projects. To create a new task, click on the plus new task button in the top left corner. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter task details. Start by naming your task clearly and concisely. Add a description to provide more context about the task. Next, set the priority level using the drop-down menu. This helps you identify urgent tasks at a glance. Assign the task to a team member using the Assignee section. You can select one or multiple team members if needed. Set a due date by clicking on the due date field. This ensures everyone knows when the task should be completed. If applicable, choose the appropriate tags for better organization. You can also add checklists for subtasks within the main task. Simply click Add Checklist and enter your checklist items. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Save. Your task will now appear in the task list on your dashboard. To view or edit an existing task, click on its name. This opens up the task view where you can make adjustments. Feel free to update status, priority, or due date as the task progresses. For better organization, create folders for different projects. On the left sidebar, click on plus New Folder under the Spaces section. Name your folder and add tasks related to that specific project. You can also create lists within each folder for further organization. In each list, you can manage tasks and subtasks effectively. Next, familiarize yourself with views like List, Board, and Calendar. These views offer different ways to visualize your tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.